Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a return subscriber, hi. Today is Ramadan decor vlog. I have been doing it bits and pieces. I just decided to come on camera now. The cleaners are here. They kind of wasted time. They came very late, so I don't know, but I've been able to put in quite a few quite a lot, not little, quite a lot of decoration down, put things away. I just finished eating, so I want to see if I can come and do something in my filming room as well. At least let us not leave the filming room out of it, right? So today is Friday, so hence the fit. I've been loving the way I'm dressed. This is just a dress I wore for my, I don't even know which birthday that I wore this dress for, but yeah, it was one of those dresses that my mom tailored for me in Dubai. That is why you people are seeing it, that is looking like an abaya. That is not my size. Anyways, let me even update something. So yesterday I went to TJ Maxx. I went to pick up some of the decor items that I needed to use today. I wanted to change the flower to spring flower. I used to have fall flowers, fall decor. So I needed to switch all those things. I didn't buy anything. Well, I only bought one item, but I didn't really buy a lot of Ramadan specific decorations because I have from previous year, from last year and the year before last, so they are still very functional, very, very useful and usable. So there is no point pouring money into this thing. The only thing I bought this year is an outdoor decor, which was essential, so I did buy an outdoor decoration. I bought some things for I bought some things from TJ Maxx. I bought some organizer for my hijab. This is something that is going to go into my closet. The cleaners are currently in my room, so I'm going to just wait for them to finish. I'm very, very tired. I've been working for so long without food, but I have finally eaten. So I bought these. I bought like 3. This is one. Oh god. This is another one. This is another one, and this is a set of 2, and it's actually bigger than the first one I bought. And another one over there is medium size. I also bought some candles, but I've already put out some candles for decoration, but this one I have bought it in multiple because I bought 3 of these. The smell of this is heavenly. It is very, very heavenly. Like, it is jasmine tea oud. I don't know, it is from which brand, by DW Home. When I smelled it yesterday, I was like, no, I can't even make the mistake of buying only one. So I bought 3 of these. I already have one downstairs. Once the cleaners are done and the whole decor comes together properly, I'm going to give you guys an update. The decors, there are some parts with light, some parts without light. I actually need to, hopefully they finish on time, because I need to go pick battery, I need to go get tape Yeah, I need to go get tape because some of the light, I'll take you guys downstairs to show you guys, but let's do something for my filming room. I'm still considering letting them come in here to work, but I don't think I'll let them. They should just do other places. I need to get lots of batteries because a lot of these Ramadan decor stuff require batteries. So this one is coming off, and I have this old one. I have this one that says Ramadan Kareem. So I have my date tray that I'll put here. I'll hang it here somewhere here, and then I will move that light, this light here, and I'll move it somewhere here as well. Maybe not. I'm still confused, but yeah, I also have this candle from last year, this candle set that from last year, so I'm going to put that here, take these ones away, and just put this one's here. It's light, so it's going to light up once I put the battery. So I'll take you guys downstairs now and show you how far I have gone with the decoration, what is left. I am tired, please pray for me. And while I'm doing that, I'm also going to concurrently be doing other things. So I have all these stars here, this light here for the staircase. It goes all the way up, but not up. You have to plug it in, but I need to hold it down with something before I can plug it in. Ignore the wall paint, that's the kids. When you come into the living room, the first thing that hits you is the dining. Honestly, I'm just going for a more minimalist style. So I got this one from Walmart, this vase from Walmart, just to bring some kind of brightness into the living room. This turntable, or this turn caddy, I got this one, and I have in here chocolate, 2 different kind of dates, the Ajwa date and the Mabrur dates. This is very sweet, 3 times sweeter than the Ajwa dates. Then I used to have this in my living room area, and I felt like, oh, it goes with the placement. I got this placement from Walmart, from TJ Maxx, so it goes with the placement, and I just wanted some sort of brightness. So for here, this one, I got it from TJ Maxx yesterday. It's not so bright. You guys already saw me putting it up. I'm going to, once the cleaners go, I'm going to get the blow dryer to blow it out, to fluff it. Or should I even do it now before they, I'm going to do it now before they leave, so that the whole thing can fluff it open. Then, you know, yeah, I'll do it now. So when you move further into the living room, this is by far now my favorite. This is by far my favorite station. I just don't know why I love it. I think it's the combination of green and the gold, and this one too as well. I got it from TJ Maxx yesterday. This one is always been here. It has a Quran inside. Then I have this one. I'm going to put my tasbih. I'm going to bring like 2 tasbih and just use it to hold the tasbih. And I have my mini Quran, and there's also a bigger Quran, just extra Quran for recitation, you know. Oh, I didn't show you guys the table runner. So I've always had this table runner, and this is its 3rd year with us. So yeah, it says Ramadan Kareem on it, and also Ramadan Mubarak in Arabic. So this is the other place, and this is going to be my official summer spring decor. I don't know what you guys did to me with pink, but pink is really screaming my name lately. So this pampas grass used to be over there, and I brought it here. I got this one from TJ Maxx as well. It's really pretty, really soft. It looks real and feels real. And here again, TJ Maxx, and this is a candle, this thing, just to create a contrast with the other roses that is on the tray. Then these two lamps that I got from Dollar General last year. I don't have batteries. When I get battery, I'll put it. This is Ramadan countdown calendar that is going to be Karia's responsibility at the end of the day. But this is what this place is looking like. I am supposed to have this up, but I ran out of tapes. This is also the same light that is on the staircase. So once that comes all the way here, then we'll be all set, and I'll plug it over there. Then I have this is it banner? So this Ramadan Mubarak banner that I just used to run here as well. I'm going to like stick this up, you know, but I ran out of tape. So this so far so good. This is what I have going. I don't know if you guys can pick it up. The cleaners are currently working upstairs, so once they are done, I still need to wash like my cushions, but I would rather they sweep clean. Then I know once I wash, I'm just going to come and put them back, and don't have to worry or deal with dust. Then wash the blanket. No joke, guys. 4 hours later, the cleaners just finished. The cleaners just finished. They like just shut the door to leave. I couldn't go out to eat with the kids and the mister because the mister is going to take the kids for swim practice. Then we're supposed to go eat from there. I couldn't. So since I'm home alone, I've just been working on uploading a video. I'm going to quickly film a content for Instagram Reels, unboxing of one of the decor items that I got from New Tradition store. It is for the outdoor decor. I'm going to quickly unbox that, then run to the Dollar General down the road and pick up batteries and some other things that I need to be able to tape the lights down. And I think if I do that, that'll be about it. But 4 hours to clean my house. Yeah, it was deep cleaning. Like they moved everything. Even the floor is still wet. Like, and I have to put things away, you know. But they lifted everything, every corner, cleaned up everywhere. So even, I mean, it can't be perfect because there's bound to be human error in everything, right? But they cleaned the fridge and even a bit of the freezer. But yeah, every time they are here, they kind of disorganize things, but it's all good. It's all good. I'm so glad I made this decision. They even went into the pantry to sweep and to come up because I told you guys that I did that in another vlog already. My guest room is clean. Oh my goodness. This guest room, what the kids have used it to do. What the kids have used this guest room to do. Thank God. It is finally clean. I deliberately did not even bother cleaning this guest room at any point. Because if I do it, they'll come and they'll mess things up. So I never touched it, but I'm glad it's cleaned now. I can come in here during Ramadan and rest, you know. The guest bathroom is clean. Everywhere is just sparkling clean. As soon as the kids got back from school, they wanted to start messing things up. Their dad was like, oh yeah, pack your things, let's leave the house. So he made them dress up and they left the house. So I'm going to quickly do that. Let me not waste time because any moment from now they will also be done from, you know, with their swim practice and they'll be heading home. So let me just do as much as I can do. They've not really paid attention to the decor yet, the Ramadan decor. That's the kids, but it's okay. When they come back, they'll come back to the surprise. This is one of the time I wish I had cash at home. I took the key, about to step out. Where is my wallet? Wallet is in the car that the mister is driving. I was going to use his car. He's using my car. But yeah, I tried to inflate these and it looked absolutely gorgeous. Let me plug it back so you guys can see. This one, I want to put this one in the corner, right here. There is this small flower place that we have outside. I'll put it there. Then the one for the kids, I will put it in the corner here. I'm so loving this. Like, the kids will be so happy and excited for this. But now the work that I do not want to do is what I'm going to have to figure out. I have this tape here for my filming room. I'll have to just leave that in on for another vlog. I just want to finish the main for the house, you know. So I'm going to use this tape that I have. It's going to take a lot of work, so I have to set you guys down and we'll come back to update, just so that I can really get that place set up, because that is the biggest part remaining. Hey guys, so this is what we have. I know, with all the dangling stuff, and yeah, that is the disadvantage of this thing. You have to like let it dangle, then you have all these excess wires that you have to start taping and all those things. But yeah, it's all good. I like it. I just switched off the light so that you guys can get a better perspective of what it's looking like. I feel like the table is tilted. I think the cleaners tilted it a little bit more towards to the right, yes, than to the left. So I'm going to try to tilt it, move it and centralize it. This is the only update I made here. I think this is my favorite. Let me switch on the light now. So as I was saying, this is my favorite part of my whole decor: the green, the gold, the white and the gold contrast. I love it on a silver. This thing, I'm repurposing this used to be on the dining, so it's giving it a different vibe. And yeah, so I'm currently working at the dining, because the cleaners were working in the living room, but the dining is still the same. Yeah, the kids, look at that, sorry, toy already here. That is one thing with these children, they won't let you enjoy small piece of serenity. So let me, the battery on this tree here is low. I fluffed out this thing, the pampas grass. The battery on it is low, so I have to switch it. I have to switch the battery. But this is what this side is looking like in the evening, you know, when it's time for breaking of fast. You just put this on, and yeah, this is what I put things on top of the grass yesterday, so it's all bent, but I'm sure they'll straighten themselves out as air blows on them. I still have that on. Yeah, I like it so much. I still have it on. I want the kids to come and meet it like this and be surprised. So I'm sure this is all that there is to the decor. I'm definitely going to put the outside one tonight, and I want to end this vlog here because I'm really tired. The biggest thing that would have taken me out was to get tape and battery for these lamps. I'm going to do that, but again, I'm going to put a B-roll once everything is all set up. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. See you in the meal prep for Ramadan, inshallah. Bye and stay blessed.